Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Release TV Chanel. If you're a fan of timeless automotive elegance combined with cutting-edge innovation, you're going to love what we have for you today. The 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe is a stunning modern take on a classic 1960s icon, blending the best of both worlds. You won't want to miss a single detail, so stick around. Before we dive into the full breakdown, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. You'll be the first to know about the latest car releases and trends. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe keeps the spirit of the original alive, while introducing a sleek, futuristic twist. Its aerodynamic teardrop-shaped body design perfectly bridges the gap between retro and modern, making this car a true showstopper. The signature DS sloping nose and futuristic LED headlights are clear nods to the original, but with a 2025 update that adds a bold, radical edge. From the long, sweeping roofline to frameless windows, the DS21 Coupe's silhouette screams classic coupe elegance. And don't forget the 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it that commanding presence on the road. Chrome accents add a touch of sophistication, making this vehicle feel as premium as they come. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 DS21 Coupe is just as luxurious as you'd expect. Citroën has pulled out all the stops with premium leather, soft touch materials, and a minimalist design that creates an incredibly modern yet nostalgic vibe. The centerpiece? A stunning 12.5-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system. It's sleek, it's user-friendly, and it seamlessly integrates all your media, navigation, and climate controls. Plus, smartphone connectivity makes your driving experience as smooth as possible. And now, under the hood, the 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe comes equipped with a hybrid powertrain, combining a turbocharged 1.6-liter petrol engine with an electric motor. Together, they deliver around 300 horsepower, giving you the perfect balance of power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, this car offers a smooth and responsive drive. And there you have it, the 2025 Citroën DS21 Coupe, a perfect fusion of past, present, and future. Whether it's the sleek design, luxurious interior, or eco-friendly hybrid powertrain, this car is redefining what it means to be an icon. Be sure to stay tuned for more exciting car releases coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the world of cars.